Now we are going to speak about the filtering group, which only contains one LINQ operator, which is where. The filtering group, in this case where, has one specific job, and the job is to take an incoming collection and pass it through some kind of filter, and then outputs a collection that is a result of this filter. And this is what where does. With the where LINQ operator, you take an incoming collection, you provide it with some predicate, and then you have an output collection that is a result of passing the elements through that predicate, and then the outcome or the output collection is a collection that only contains the elements that obey by that predicate, that obey that condition. As an example, let's assume we still have our simple int list, int array, and we tell this list and we tell where the following: hey, return to me or filter this list to only contain the elements that are bigger than 3. And as we can see, we only have 2 elements that are bigger than 3, and the return of where is a collection that has only 2 elements, 4 and 5. Now, the input collection is never changed when you apply any kind or any LINQ operator. You always generate a new collection. Okay, therefore, this collection that has the 4 and the 5 is a new collection. The input collection here is never changed. Okay, we only generate new collections. Okay. Now, another example that we might tell you is the following. We still have our simple input collection, and we tell you, or tell where, hey, where, give me a filtered collection where you only contain the numbers that are bigger than 10. And as you can see, there are no numbers that are bigger than 10. Now you might ask yourself, hey, should LINQ return an exception or an empty list? In this case, the behavior of LINQ is to return an empty list. There are LINQ operators that will, in this case, when there's no element that obeys the predicate, will return an exception. But in the case of where, we just return an empty collection. Now that we've seen some theoretical examples of where, let's see it in practice.